Welcome to our virtual tour. Affordable up north hunting and fishing dream. This mobile home, with a stick-built addition, features 2 bedrooms and 1 bath and is nestled on 10 wooded acres in beautiful Manistee County. The 12 by 16 outbuilding has room to store all your toys. The deer and other wildlife enjoy hanging out on this property, as will you. This is an excellent parcel of land for those wanting affordable privacy, yet near many rivers and lakes for hunting, fishing, boating, and golfing. All you love about pure Michigan. Enjoy your virtual tour.